In this video, I'll show you how you can connect hosting a domain to Base44. So first thing you need to do is open the project which you want to connect. So I'm gonna choose this one. Once the project loads, click on this dashboard and from here choose domains. And from here, as you can see, this is your built-in domain from Base44. And if you want to add your custom domain, click on connect your domain. You can also buy domain if you don't have one. So I'm gonna click on connect your domain, and from here click on this add domain button, and here you need to paste your Hostinger domain. So go to Hostinger and copy your domain and paste it here. Click on add domain. As you can see, domain added successfully. And next we need to do is connect our DNS provider. So we need to add CNAME record and a record. So first let's add this CNAME record. So you can copy this address and then go to Hostinger, and from here choose your domain which you want to connect. I'm going to choose this one and click on manage button next to it. Now click on DNS and name servers, and from here we need to add those two DNS records. So first one is CNAME, so choose CNAME. Then we need to type www for name and then paste the address and then click on add record. Now this one is successful. Now the second one, as you can see, the second one is a name or alias, but we don't have that type in Hostinger, so we can skip this second and just put the a record here. So I'm gonna copy this address. This is the target and the type is a and the name is this. So name we have, and then type choose a and paste the address here where it's going to point and click on add record. DNS record successfully added. Now what we can do is click on check status here. We need to wait. This could take from minutes to even days to be checked. As you can see, it after a few seconds it show me it's verified. So this is how you can connect your Hostinger domain to Base44, and that's it. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.